Hello friends, so the topic for the today is supply under GST. Now the part which I am going to discuss is goods and services which are covered under supply. So what are goods? What are the goods or definition of goods which are covered under supply? Like goods are movable properties. Movable properties, that is which is having the nature of like moving. Okay. Second one is growing crops, grass attached to the earth before the supply. Okay. The third point is actionable claims. So what are actionable claims? So they are lottery, betting, gambling, unsecured debts, and the insurance claims. Okay. So the exceptions are also there that I will be discussing later. ओके सो आपको गुड्स समझ आ गया कि गुड्स में क्या क्या कवर्ड होते हैं. अब द सेकंड पार्ट इज सर्विसेज. तो सर्विसेज में क्या होता है कि सर्विसेज, सो एनीथिंग अदर देन दी गुड्स दैट आर कंसिडर्ड एज सर्विसेज. बट सर्विसेज में एक चीज़ हमको ध्यान रखनी है कि सर्विसेज में एनीथिंग दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ मनी that will not be considered in the case of supply definition, but using of money, transaction with related to using of money, that can be considered as supply. Okay, that can be considered as supply of services. Okay, now so like services I have discussed that anything other than the money and that can be the use of money, okay, and conversion of money and facilitating or arranging the transactions relating to the money, so that is considered as a services. Like for example we are taking like बैंक ने क्या किया, लोन्स इशू किए, एडवांसेस इशूज किए, या फिर लोन हो गए, एडवांसेस हो गए, डिपॉजिट्स. ओके सो बेसिकली दीज आर द ट्रांजेक्शन एंड दे इन्वॉल्व जनरली द इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो ऑफ मनी. सो दे विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज सप्लाई बिकॉज बैंक ने लोन इशू किया, लोन क्या है, मनी है. बैंक ने एडवांसेस दिए, दे आर द मनी. डिपॉजिट्स, दे आर द मनी. सो दे विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड. बट वन पॉइंट टू बी रिमेंबर इज इंटरेस्ट above this, like interest above on loan, advance, so that will be considered as services. Supply of services means interest on loan will be considered as supply of services. Okay, but suppose bank has issued letter of credit, guarantee, okay, and certificates, deposits और commercial paper, ये सारे natures किस में आ जाते हैं, मनी के नेचर में आ जाते हैं, तो they will not be considered as goods or services. Okay, if anyone charging brokerage, transfer fees, इन सारे transactions के basis पे ये सब fees charge की जाती है, तो that will be considered as supply of services. means सारे transactions जो भी हो रहे हैं they are facilitating or arranging the transactions related to the money, so हम इनको consider कर लेंगे supply of services. As I have discussed, the two are the exceptions in the case of supply of goods and services, and the two exceptions are money and security. So money will not be considered as supply, neither the securities will be considered as supply. So securities, what are the securities? In case of future or forward of commodities, securities with deliveries, they will be considered as supply of goods. Okay.